purple one.
The purple one may not be big enough.
This is my favorite.
Well, you know what? I'll hang this so if the purple one gets full, we can put it in here. Okay?
We can take two.
I'll hang on to one because you need a hand to pick stuff up with.
Oh my gosh, look out there.
Let's go for a walk.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at them all.
Don't open them. Just put them in your basket. Don't open them.
Don't open them, Kira.
Don't open them. Oh, I found one.
I found some.
Don't stop picking them up.
I found a pink one.
That's blue. That's you.
Yellow one.
Why is the one on the sidewalk?
Where? How old is you have room for more eggs, okay?
Green one.
The little eggs are yours. Yeah, but these eggs here, Owen, you can take these.
Look, I'm picking rainbow. Yellow. Orange. I see pink. I see purple.
Kira, Owen,
What's over there? There's another one.
Owen.
What?
You gotta pick these up too. So you can pick up stuff. You can pick up stuff that doesn't have bows on it. There you go.
Ooh. Look what I see.
What do you see?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that'll screw everything up.
How many eggs?